Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to select all photos in OneDrive using the easiest methods possible in 2026. If you've ever tried organizing, downloading, moving, or deleting a large number of photos in OneDrive, you've probably noticed there isn't always a simple Select All button, especially in the Photos section. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to select multiple photos, whether you're using the OneDrive website or the My Files section. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage hundreds or even thousands of photos much easier without endless clicking. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Now, sign in using your Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, look at the left sidebar and click the Photos tab. This section displays all your uploaded pictures grouped by date. Now, here's something important to know. Inside the Photos section, the normal keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+A usually does not work the same way as it does in folders. So instead, we'll use the easiest method called the Shift-Click method. First, move your mouse over the first photo you want to select. You'll notice a small circle checkbox appear in the top right corner of the photo. Click that circle once. This selects your starting photo. Now scroll all the way down to the last photo you want selected. If you have a lot of photos, OneDrive may continue loading more images as you scroll. Take your time and let everything finish loading properly. Once you reach the final photo, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click the small selection circle on the last photo. OneDrive will now automatically select every photo between the first and last image. This is one of the fastest ways to select large groups of photos at once. It works especially well if you want to move, download, or delete many images together. Now let's move on to the most powerful method for true Select All. Instead of using the Photos tab, go to the My Files section from the left sidebar. Now, open the folder where your photos are stored. Inside folders, OneDrive behaves more like normal File Explorer. Here you can use the full keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-A. On Mac, press Command-A. This instantly selects every file and photo inside the folder. You can also use the Master checkbox at the top of the file list. Simply click the top checkbox once, and OneDrive will highlight everything visible inside that folder. This is the fastest method if all your photos are already stored inside one main folder. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and easy tech tutorials. And if you have any questions or run into any weird OneDrive issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.